I'm going to teach you more about fishing. And when you're reeling it in, and when you go to cast it out there, like I told y'all, don't let it go too fast or you'll get stuck. And never try to cross in between somebody's line. So, watch me. Oh, and whenever y'all are holding on to it and y'all don't need to hold on to right here, make sure you hold on to your pole tighter. My puppy just threw his in the lake and got back. Now, back to the show.
We're having a bloopers day, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah, that was a good cast.
So, reel it in if you need to, if the parents say so. But when you're using worms, kids, make sure you always let it sit out there, because you know when you get a bite. If you don't use the bobber, you know if you get a bite because it jerks. But if you're using a bobber, let it go under. And then if it pops back up, that means they're jacking with it. But when it goes all the way under and it goes pulling that way, if the wind's blowing this way or the wind's blowing the water that way, it can go this way. But if it's going that way, it can go the same way. And if that way, it can go the same way. Sometimes it can go out there, back here, anyway if you catch it, only if it's under. And always make sure you reel it in slow, that way you know if you get it. So,
Good tip.
So kids, that's all for the day. I'll be back tomorrow morning, night, in another episode.